Embarking on a journey to weight loss with the best Indian diet plan. Indian cuisine is a rich tapestry of vibrant spices, fresh herbs, and an extensive range of flavors. But as diverse as it may be, there's a common thread that runs through many Indian diets: a focus on plant-based eating. In fact, around 80% of the Indian population practices Hinduism, a religion that promotes a vegetarian or lacto-vegetarian diet. This dietary emphasis on plant foods like vegetables, lentils, and fruits, coupled with a reduced consumption of meat, aligns with the principles of a healthy lifestyle. However, despite the traditional emphasis on wholesome, plant-based foods, India has witnessed a growing issue of obesity, paralleled by the increased availability of processed foods. This surge in obesity has given rise to various obesity-related chronic conditions, such as heart disease and diabetes. In this article, we'll navigate through the intricacies of a healthy Indian diet tailored to promote weight loss. We'll offer suggestions on what foods to embrace, which ones to avoid, and even provide you with a sample menu for a full week. Before we dive into today's enlightening topic, I'd like to request a small favor from you. If you find the information we share valuable and inspiring, please take a moment to subscribe to Healthism. Your subscription means the world to us, and it's your support that allows us to continue bringing you the latest insights on living a healthier, happier life. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Now, let's embark on today's adventure. The essence of a healthy traditional Indian diet. Traditional Indian diets revolve around fresh, unprocessed ingredients, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain optimal health. So, why should you consider a plant-based Indian diet? Well, for starters, plant-based diets are linked to an array of health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, like breast and colon cancer. Moreover, the Indian diet, with its limited meat consumption and an abundance of vegetables and fruits, has even been associated with a decreased risk of Alzheimer's disease. But it's not just about reducing the risk of chronic diseases, it's also about encouraging weight loss. A healthy plant-based Indian diet isn't just a culinary delight, it's a path to overall well-being. What comprises a plant-based Indian diet? The Indian diet boasts a wealth of nutritious foods, including grains, lentils, healthy fats, vegetables, dairy, and fruits. Religion plays a pivotal role in shaping the diets of many Indians, particularly Hindus. Hinduism advocates nonviolence and values all living beings equally. Hence, it promotes a lacto-vegetarian diet and discourages the consumption of meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. However, dairy products are still considered acceptable. A wholesome lacto-vegetarian Indian diet should center around grains, lentils, dairy, vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats, such as coconut oil. Indian cuisine is renowned for its creative use of spices like turmeric, fenugreek, coriander, ginger, and cumin, infusing dishes with not only rich flavor but also potent nutritional benefits. Turmeric, one of the most popular spices in Indian cooking, stands out for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, has been found to combat inflammation, enhance brain function, and reduce risk factors for heart disease. Nutrient-rich foods. To embrace a plant-based Indian diet opens up a world of delicious and nutritious food options. Incorporate the following ingredients into your daily meal plan: vegetables, from tomatoes, spinach, and eggplant to mustard greens, okra, and onions. There's a kaleidoscope of options to choose from. Fruits. The list is equally tempting, including mangoes, papayas, pomegranates, guavas, and many more. Nuts and seeds. Cashews, almonds, peanuts, pistachios, and a variety of seeds offer both flavor and nutrition. Legumes. Mung beans, black-eyed peas, kidney beans, lentils, pulses, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein and fiber. Roots and tubers. Potatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, turnips, and yams bring a hearty dimension to Indian meals. Whole grains. Brown rice, basmati rice, millet, buckwheat, quinoa, and a host of other whole grains provide the necessary energy and fiber. Dairy. The lacto-vegetarian approach includes cheese, yogurt, milk, kefir, and ghee. Herbs and spices. The spice cabinet in Indian kitchens boasts an impressive array, featuring garlic, ginger, cardamom, cumin, coriander, garam masala, and many more. Turmeric, in particular, takes the spotlight, celebrated for its remarkable health benefits. Healthy fats. Coconut milk, full-fat dairy, avocado, coconut oil, mustard oil, olive oil, peanut oil, sesame oil, and ghee provide the essential fats needed for balanced nutrition. Protein sources. Tofu, legumes, dairy, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of protein to support overall health. When planning your meals and snacks, don't forget to include non-starchy vegetables like spinach, eggplants, or tomatoes. Their high fiber content will keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, preventing overindulgence. Quenching your thirst. The right way: avoid the pitfalls of excess calories and sugar by steering clear of sugar-sweetened beverages and juices. Opt for healthier beverage alternatives such as water, sparkling water, and unsweetened tea, including Darjeeling, Assam, and Nilgiri teas. Steer clear of unhealthy choices. Choosing highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and calorie-laden items can sabotage your weight loss efforts and, more importantly, your overall health. Items like candy, fried foods, and sugary beverages are not conducive to your weight loss journey. In addition to impeding weight loss, consuming unhealthy foods can elevate the risk of chronic diseases. For instance, daily consumption of sugar-sweetened beverages like soda, fruit juices, and fruit punch has been associated with an increased risk of diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Optimal health is best achieved by minimizing or altogether avoiding foods and beverages that offer little to no nutritional value. This approach sets the stage for both weight loss and improved well-being. Crafting a weight loss-friendly Indian menu for 1 week. Here's a comprehensive 1-week Indian menu tailored to promote weight loss. Feel free to adapt it according to your caloric needs, dietary restrictions, and personal food preferences. Monday, breakfast, sambar with brown rice idli. Lunch, whole grain roti with mixed vegetable curry. Dinner, tofu curry with mixed vegetables and a fresh spinach salad. Tuesday, breakfast, chana dal pancakes with mixed vegetables and a glass of milk. Lunch, chickpea curry with brown rice. Dinner, khichdi with sprout salad. Wednesday, breakfast, apple cinnamon porridge made with milk and topped with sliced almonds. Lunch, whole grain roti with tofu and mixed vegetables. Dinner, palak paneer with brown rice and vegetables. Thursday, breakfast, yogurt with sliced fruits and sunflower seeds. Lunch, whole grain roti with vegetable. Dinner, chana masala with basmati rice and green salad. Friday, breakfast, vegetable dalia and a glass of milk. Lunch, vegetable sambar with brown rice. Dinner, tofu curry with potato and mixed vegetables. Saturday, breakfast, multigrain parathas with avocado and sliced papaya. Lunch, large salad with rajma curry and quinoa. Dinner, lentil pancakes with tofu tikka masala. Sunday, breakfast, buckwheat porridge with sliced mango. Lunch, vegetable soup with whole grain roti. Dinner, masala baked tofu with vegetable curry. To keep yourself well hydrated and maintain your energy levels, drink water, seltzer, or unsweetened tea between and during your meals. Incorporating a generous portion of non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and protein sources in your daily meals will help stave off hunger and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Enhancing weight loss entails more than just a dietary shift. It necessitates adopting lifestyle changes that contribute to your overall well-being. Creating a calorie deficit is paramount to weight loss. Increasing your physical activity is a surefire way to achieve this deficit. Find a physical activity you enjoy, whether it's a sport or a gym workout. If formal exercise doesn't appeal to you, consider upping your daily step count. Aim for a goal of 10,000 steps per day and work toward it progressively. Many people consume meals in a hurry or while distracted, losing touch with their body's signals of hunger and fullness. Taking the time to savor your meals and paying attention to your body's cues can help you eat more mindfully. Eating slowly can also promote weight loss by enhancing feelings of fullness and reducing overall hunger. Avoid eating in front of the television or while engaging in other activities, as this can lead to overeating. In the face of tempting, unhealthy food choices, it's crucial to set goals and stick to them. These goals can serve as your guiding light when you find yourself tempted to stray from your healthy eating plan, especially in social situations. Reminding yourself of the reasons behind your commitment to a healthier lifestyle can empower you to make more prudent food and lifestyle choices. Ensuring you have the right ingredients at home is essential for weight loss success. Fill your fridge and pantry with healthy foods that inspire you to explore your culinary talents and experiment with new recipes. Research has shown that individuals who cook more meals at home tend to have a better diet quality, a healthier weight, and lower body fat compared to those who dine out frequently. Here's a list of items to add to your shopping list. Vegetables. From greens and cauliflower to herbs and eggplants. Fruits. Apples, strawberries, mangoes, papayas, and more. Frozen produce. A selection of mixed vegetables and fruits. Grains. Options like oats, millet, quinoa, whole grain bread, and brown rice. Legumes. Lentils, pulses, and beans. Nuts. Almonds, pistachios, cashews, and other varieties. Seeds. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and lotus seeds. Dairy, milk, unsweetened yogurt, unsweetened kefir, cheese, and curd. Condiments. Spices like sea salt, pepper, turmeric, ginger, paprika, and cinnamon. Starchy vegetables. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, parsnips, pumpkin, and corn. Proteins. Tofu, dairy products, legumes, and hummus. Healthy fats. Olive oil, unsweetened coconut, coconut oil, ghee, sesame oil, avocado, and peanut butter. Beverages. Green tea, coffee, sparkling water, and Darjeeling tea. While shopping, prioritize fresh ingredients that are often located around the perimeter of the grocery store. The middle shelves typically house processed and packaged foods, which should be limited in your diet. Buying grains, nuts, and seeds in bulk can be cost-effective and ensures that you always have essential staples on hand. To stay on course and avoid succumbing to tempting food items, craft a detailed grocery list and adhere to it diligently. Embarking on a journey to weight loss with a lacto-vegetarian Indian diet is a flavorful and healthy choice. It encourages the reduction of sugary foods and beverages while promoting the consumption of a wide array of vegetables and an increase in protein intake. Combine this dietary shift with regular physical activity, and you have a recipe for both enhanced health and effective weight loss. Even incorporating just a few of the dietary and lifestyle changes mentioned in this article can contribute significantly to your overall well-being and happiness. If you have any questions or want to share your own nutrition tips, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our incredible Healthism community. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more exciting health and wellness content coming your way. Until next time, take care and prioritize your health. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button for the latest updates on Healthism.